Hello? 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 Hello?
One second, Manojit. Okay.
Hello?
Manojit, 1 second.
Okay. Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah, hi Manojit.
Yeah.
See, we have completed till occurrence, right? Now we will see the prices. Okay.
Yes. Yeah.
Basically, the other day while discussing about one electricity bill, we'll have different charges like consumption charges, rental charges, and service charges. Okay. So, I'll, 1 minute. I'll take the notepad. Okay. My consumption is 200 units, and then my price is 20 rupees. So total amount it's 4,000 rupees. Okay. So these 200 units I'll get it from register, correct?
Yeah.
Consumption. And then this is my price, 20 rupees, and then this is the total amount, correct? So this is this is the business scenario we need to map into the SAP level. So we'll create the device and register. So from register I'll get this consumption, and I need to maintain the price, this 20 rupees. Okay, so this price I'll be maintaining it in the rate header, rate facts level, so that calculations will happen and I'll get the total amount. This is what will happen. So this 20 rupees is there, right? So this 20 rupees we need to map into the SAP. How we need to map it? So in SAP also we have price option. Here we will create the prices for the charges. Okay, so now we'll create consumption charges. Consumption 01, let's say 01. Okay, this price is a price key. It's a unique key basically. Okay, so with one price key, it's a only one price key. That nomenclature will be there, only one thing. You cannot create same price key for the same billing class. Okay, so price key is the unique one, and then price category. Price category is very important. Based on the price category, it determines the what type of charges we are going to be calculating it. In the price category we have quantity based price, flat rate, rental price, and time dependent price. While discussing about rate type, I think you might have remembered it, we have 4 permissibility options. One is register permissibility, device permissibility, register permissibility, device permissibility, facts permissibility, and interval permissibility, correct? If it is a register permissibility, then we'll be using it for consumption billing. If it is facts permissibility, it's for flat rate billing. If it is device permissibility, it's for rental billing. interval permissibility for RTP billing. That's a different scenario. Leave it.
Okay.
Now, if you look into the price category level, we have quantity based price, flat rate, rental price, and time dependent price.
Okay.
If you are creating a consumption billing, okay, so your rate type should be register permissible. Okay, because you will be getting consumption from the register. Correct?
Okay. Yes.
So
yes.
your price category should be quantity based price. You need to select this quantity based price. Okay. If you are creating, so let's say flat rate. Okay. So if you are going to be creating a flat rate, that means your rate type should be facts permissibility. Correct?
Yes.
Facts permissibility for flat rate. So when you create a facts permissibility rate type, you need to select flat rate. Price category flat rate. If you select device permissibility and rate type, you should select rental price. Time dependent price is for demand based price. Quantity and time dependent price one and the same. Basically, for calculating consumption we use a quantity based price. For calculating demand charges we use time dependent price. Okay, this is about the price category. And just everything is very closely integrated. When you in rate type, when you select register permissibility, that time you will be maintaining rate type at in register level. Just remember it, because it will keep on coming. Based on the scenario, the rate type maintenance may be changed, but conceptually it will be the same. Okay. So if it is a device permissibility will use it for rental billing, and
Okay.
rate type will maintain it in the device level. Okay. When you create a device permissibility rate type, we need to use rental price. This is the price. Okay. So the same way, if it is a facts permissibility rate type, then we will maintain rate type at in installation facts or rate category facts. Okay. That time we use price category as a flat rate.
Okay.
Okay. Now I'm going to be creating a price category as a quantity based price. And then currency is an, just select INR, and price type. Basically price type we have three prices: standard price, block charge, and scale price. Standard price is a strike price. Like here I have given 200 units. It's a 20 rupees. So it's a standard price. It's a only one price option I have. So I'll maintain it, and so calculations will happen automatically. Okay. If you want to change the price amount, you can change it to 40 rupees or something. Simultaneously, this amount will be changed. So okay, and then price type, it's a block charge. It's a block prices. Block prices, basically some blocks will be there. Let's say my first unit to 100 units, my charges should be 20 rupees. Units, it's a 20 rupees. And 101 to 200 units, it's 30 rupees.
Okay.
Okay. So okay, let's take two blocks, and my consumption is let's say 156. Okay, this is my consumption. So just you tell me, as per logic, how it should be calculated.
It should be calculated like 1 to 100 unit, it should be 20, and then 101 to 56 it is 30.
Correct, absolutely right. For that purpose we will be using the block charges. Okay, that is the block price. And then we have scale price. Scale price, let's say, okay, if it is in scale price, how it will be calculated? Okay, I'll explain you. Okay, so my consumption is 156, correct? So my 156 consumption falls into second slot.
Yes.
101 to 200 units is a 30 rupees. So this entire 156 units will be calculated with 30 rupees. Okay, it's a scale price. You understood?
Yes.
If it is, let's say, if it is 102, 102, then also this 102 falls in my second slot, 101 to 200 units. It's a 30 rupees. So my 101, 102, it will be calculated with this. 1 minute.
Okay. Okay.
Hello. Hi Oli, how are you? No, actually just now it has started. You can join to the meeting. No, you contact Sai. He'll forward you the go-to link. Okay. Yeah, I have the meeting ID. Actually today we are discussing about the prices. Already we have discussed it, right? So if you want to join the same meeting, you can join. That's not a problem. Okay, I'll send you the meeting ID. Join. Okay. Correct. Last week already we have discussed. Correct. Actually, Manojit, new guy has joined. So I think last 10 days or something we have started. So we have reached till here. So if you join from tomorrow onwards, at a time we can continue. Yeah, you said your mother is not feeling well and you are so busy. Okay. Actually, see, basically, I've been logging to the system, but no, you're not joined, right? So I called to Sai. He said that you are busy with your work, so he not contacted him. If you want, you can join now also. Okay. Just now we have. No, I'll send you the link. Just join. Yeah, you join now. Okay. Yeah, I'll do that. Hello?
Yes.
Hello? Yeah, Manojit,
Yeah.
just wait for 2 minutes. One more guy is joining.
Okay, no problem.
1 minute. Yeah, 2 minutes. Okay, so till here you have any doubts?
No, it's fine.
Yeah.
So in case of scale price, in case of scale price, just we need to check the highest mode. Means if it is under 1 to 100 and 102 to means something 200, and if the consumption price is 102, then we only consider 30 here. Yes.
Correct. See, basically, it will consider total consumption. Whereas in block price, what will happen if it is 1 or 2 units? First 100 units it will be calculated with 20 rupees, and the remaining 2 units it will be calculated with 30 rupees, correct?
Yes.
Whereas in scale price, if 1 or 2 consumption, it falls into my second slot. So entire consumption will be calculated with 30 rupees.
Okay.
That's how it will work. Murli, have you joined? Hello, Murli, are you there? Okay, he's there. That's what, you know, this is the process to create the prices.
Okay.
Okay, you understood about the price category and the price data, because it's the base for the creation for the prices, different prices.
Okay.
And then click on that and then give the text. The hello.
Yeah.
You have remember, because yesterday we have discussed about weighing key. That time we, before weighing key, there is a option we have unit of measure.
Yeah.
Sorry. That unit of measure and price level unit of measure should be same. Okay. If you maintain their KWH, here also you need to maintain the KWH.
Okay.
Just maintain like this. Okay. That's all. And then we have time category here. If you okay, first I'll create this one. I'll explain that later on. And the rounding category. We have rounding up and rounding down, or nearest to whole number options we have. If you want to take the round up or round down or something, you can check this one. You can use these options. Okay. For maintaining the, till now we have seen the options: quantity based price, or flat rate, or rental prices, demand price. But where we need to maintain the prices for this, you just go to the history. Okay. Here I have the options. See, let's say from January 1st 2012 to 31st March 2012. Okay, from block 1 to, okay, shall we create scale price or block price? We'll create scale price.
Scale price, right?
Yeah. Okay, from scale 1 to, it's also base 1, and amount is 100 rupees. Okay, after this you need to copy it, then it will come over here. Okay, so, and then I've given the price, this 100 rupees till 31st March only. So from 1st April onwards, 0104 20122 31/12/9999, my price will be 200 rupees. Copy it. So if your billing period, if your billing period lies between, let's say, February to April, February 1st to or else March 1st to April 30th, there is a 2 months billing. Okay. So from March 1st to March 30th, it will consider 100 rupees. From April 1st to April 30th, it will consider 200.
Hello. Hello.
Okay. It will
Hi Ramna, I can't hear you Ramna. Ramna, just
Just
make your audio.
hello.
Ramna, yeah,
Yeah.
now I
Hello.
can hear you.
Yeah. Now, am I audible?
Yes, yes, now it is.
Okay. Okay. This is about the scale price. Now we'll see the block prices. Let's new to. Okay. So we have seen the scale price, right? Now we'll see the block prices for this. Let's say block price also is one and the same. We'll see the rental price. It will be different. Rental price is somewhat different. Okay, that's the reason we'll see this. Basically, rental charges is nothing but a meter rent. Your rental charges will be determined. Hello, am I
Yes.
audible?
Yeah.
Okay. See, basically, your rental charges will be determined the combination of your price level and price class. Price class which you will maintain it in the device category level, and price level you will maintain it in the rate facts level. I'm going to be discussing about rate and rate facts. That time you can understand. Just as of now, just try to understand price level. Price level, at in SPRO level. Show you. Go to the rental prices. We have price class. Customers, my rental charges is 30 rupees or 40 rupees. No, single phase it's a 30 rupees. For triple phase, three phase, it will be 50 rupees. That's what you want to maintain.
Mhm.
And then price level also. Just maintain. Okay. So whenever you create a rental price, your price key means your price. Okay, price key should be always your price class. Got it?
Okay. Yes.
See, here I have given price class as a 3_ph. The same price class nomenclature you should maintain while creating the rental price. Then only system will accept it. Otherwise, it will not accept. Okay.
Okay.
Let's give this one. It will ask you to change it. And if I give standard price, system will say enter the price level. Okay, I'll enter the price level. See, consumption_4 does not exist price class. Okay, so no, whenever you are going to be creating a rental charges, first you need to define price class set in the configuration level. After that, you need to use the same price class. Okay, that is the reason I have defined there, and then I am using the same price class as a price key for creating a rental price. Okay.
Okay.
And then enter. Now system will allow you to create it. Now just create the rental charges. Okay. See, these rental charges I have explained you at the time of rate type discussion time. Now if I check the rate type, I mean a rate type have different permissibilities like register, device, fax and internal permissibility. Rate type level, if you select device permissibility rate type, okay, device permissibility rate type for which billing? Hello Manojit, are you there?
Yeah. Hello.
Yeah, yeah. If you check device permissibility rate type, it will be used for rental billing. Okay.
Yes.
Just remember it,
Yes.
because it will keep on coming. If you want to become a billing
Hello. Your voice is breaking. Hello. 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 Hello.
Hi Manoj. Hello.
Yeah.
Manoj.
Hello.
Yeah, Manoj. Really, hi.
Yes.
Yeah,
Hi.
it looks. Yeah, hi. It looks Ramana is offline. Might be he got internet or something. An issue with maybe internet or power. I don't know. But it looks we are getting a message offline.
Okay.
Ramana, where are you? Like which part of India are you? Sorry, Manoj.
Yes.
Are you in AP or which place?
Yeah. From Kolkata, West Bengal.
Oh, West Bengal, Kolkata. Okay, got it. Okay. Currently, are you working, Manoj?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
It looks Ramana is. Ramana, are you back?
Am I audible?
Now, just now.
Yeah.
Okay, sorry. I think some server connection or some problem is there, I think.
Ramana, you have to
Go to meeting.
back everything. Like there is no audio past few minutes.
Okay, see, basically in our, for rental charges, am I audible now?
Now, yes.
Yes.
Okay. When you in rate type level, we have different permissibility options like register permissibility, facts, and device permissibility and interval permissibility. In rate type, if you select as a device permissibility basically it will be used for rental billing. Then we'll maintain the rate type at in device level. When you install a device to the installation, there we will maintain the rate type and as well as this price class. Price class means this is the nomenclature. 3_PH is there, right? So this price class we will maintain there. Okay. And then price level we will maintain it in the rate facts level. This price class basically you can maintain it in device category level and as well as device installation level also. It will take the first priority at installation level. If you don't maintain anything, then it will check it in the device level. From there it will pick the price class. Okay. So and rental charges basically it's a based on the time, right? For example, if you want to charge 2 months once 30 rupees as a rental, sorry, 30 rupees for 2 months once. It's a bi-monthly rental charges. It's a 30 rupees. So as a month you can maintain 2. If you want to maintain as a day wise, so 30 days or 60 days, whatever it is, you can maintain it here. So I'm maintaining month wise as a 1. Okay. So and then I'm going to the history level. Just give the value 01012022 and 3112,999. Amount is, let's give 30 rupees. Okay, so this is my price 3_PH and this is rental charges 3-phase standard price. So from first 2012 to is a 30 rupees. It will consider it. Save it.
Okay.
Actually, device management settings we have not done because basically this price class need to be maintained in the device level. Okay, so those settings, after performing those settings, we can create this one. Okay. I think we have done it. Just a minute. After doing these changes at in device level, then we can perform this one. Okay. because we need to do the device configuration for this, because this price class need to be maintained in the device category level. Okay, so we have one option it in device management level. We need to maintain the division to division category at in device management level.
Okay.
After doing that, we can do this one. Okay, this is about the rental charges. At the time of after finishing device management, then we'll see the scenario of rental charges and all.
Okay.
And then now we'll see the rates. You have any doubts in the prices?
No, it's okay from my side.
Yeah, Murali, you have any doubts?
No, Ramna, go
Murali?
ahead. Ramna, go ahead.
Okay. If you have any doubts, you can ask me.
Ramna, yeah.
Rates, okay, let's take this. We have, for example, if you take any utility industry, for utility industry we'll have different charges.
One minute. In which table
Yes.
these prices are getting stored in SAP?
EPREIH, I think.
Okay.
-SE16 EPREIH. Okay, this is the table.
Okay.
Have you used this table at any time earlier?
No. I have seen
Okay.
some coding over there, but I never used that.
Okay, if you work on this one, print workbench and some billing programs, you should use it. Have you used DBERCH Z1 to Z8?
Yeah.
DBER. Acha, okay. Basically, in DBERCH Z1 to Z8 are there. From Z1 you will get the consumption. From Z3 you will get the amount. Correct. Whereas in invoice line item, for reading invoice line items, DBERDLB is there, and DBERDL. DBERDL invoice charges you can get it, whereas in DBERDLB outstanding amount you will get it.
Okay.
History you will maintain here. Here see from block and to block, value from and to, and price amount. And for header data, EP only H is not there. Okay, this is the header data. Here you will not get the amount. Only billing class and time category, price category, all these things you will get it here.
Okay.
Okay, now let's go to prices. Consumption underscore 01. See, this is rate header. Here you need to enter the text for the rate. Consumption charges. Okay, I was saying something. Okay, see, basically rate means if you take any bill, we'll have different charges like consumption charges and rental charges.
Yes.
And service charges, correct? Okay,
Yes.
so my rental charges is my consumption, let's say consumption is 200 units and per unit is 20 rupees. So total is 400 rupees sorry, 4,000 is my consumption charges. Rental, I'm using a 3-phase, so per month it's a monthly billing, so it's a 30 rupees. And the service charges, let's say, no, it's a 15% or 30% of the my consumption charges, or else you can take the flat rate also for all the service charges. Let's say 200 rupees as a flat you can take, or else usually what will happen if you take any utility industry, based on your consumption, service charges will be calculated. If you go to any hotel, what will happen, based on your total bill amount, they'll charge some VAT, right? Service charges.
Yes.
Some 12%, 10%, something they'll charge it. In utility industry also it will be like that. Based on your consumption charges, service charges will be calculated. So 4,000 into 10% of my service charge. So it's a 400 rupees, correct? So my total bill I should pay 4,430 rupees. This is the total bill. Okay. So like this you will be getting the bill from the company, correct? So if I as a SAP consultant, if you look into the bill, you need to find it out. Okay, this is my consumption charges, so I need to create one rate for the consumption charges. Okay, this is the meter rent. Okay, this is the rental charges, and this is the service charge. So all these charges I need to maintain it in the SAP level. At the time of billing, all the values should be calculated automatically.
Okay.
That is the requirement, correct? So you need to decide basically after seeing the physical bill. Okay, these are the charges are there, so I need to map. These are how many rates I need to map, and how to go for the logic. Let's say,
Okay.
no, after creating all these rates as a separate rates, for consumption separate rate, rental charge separate rate, and service charge separate rate, you will be maintaining it, you will be creating it, and you will maintain it in the schema level. Okay. Schema is the next topic is going to come, so at the time we will discuss about it. Okay, so at in the schema level you will maintain. After that schema will maintain it in the rate category level. At the time of billing engine, rate category will be triggered, and schema, I mean all applicable rates, it will be activated, and the charges will be calculated.
Okay.
If you look into the rate header level, okay, it's each and every rate, it's specific to the billing class and division.
Yes.
If you take any rate, it's specific to the billing class and division. If you when you create the prices, there also it's specific to the billing class and division. When you create a rate type, okay, rate type also is specific to the billing class and division. When you create a schema, it's also specific to billing class and division. When you create rate category, that's also billing class and division. So what is means, when you create one tariff for one division or one category, it should be the billing class and division should be the same. Okay. If it is changed, then you cannot maintain it in the schema level. That's not possible.
Okay.
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 Ramana,
And then
could you repeat that? You said the billing class and division should be same. I didn't get it. I didn't catch it.
See, basically your billing class, and for example, let's say we have 4 different types of customers: residential customers, industrial customers, and commercial customers. Okay, 3 customers are there, 3 different types of customers. I am creating schema logic for residential customers. Okay, my residential customers billing class is 0001. So when I create a rate, prices, schema, rate category, everywhere I should use only 0001 for because it's a residential customers.
Okay.
if by mistakenly if I use 0002 or industrial customers billing class,
Then
I cannot maintain the rate in the schema level. System will not permit to maintain it. Yeah, it will not allow you to maintain it.
Thanks.
Okay. Yeah. So here also we have different permissibilities, like register permissibility, interval permissibility, device permissibility, facts permissibility. Okay. So in rate type also, see, it's everything is completely integrated. That's the reason. No, in rate type, if you are going to be creating a consumption charges means you will be getting consumption from the register. So in rate type you need to maintain register permissibility. Your prices, quantity based price, correct? And then when you create a register permissibility rate type, you need to maintain rate type at in register level. And then here we need to select the register permissibility radio button. It's everything is interlinked, very closely integrated. Yeah, are you following Manojit?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, you have any doubts or if you confuse something, just please let me know. And then device permissibility. Device permissibility, basically where it will be used? It will be used for rental billing.
Rental billing, yes.
Yes. So facts permissibility.
That's
It's a flat rate. Some fixed amount if I wanted to determine, I need to use the facts permissibility. So note it down. It's better to note it down. Okay. Just now, at least now you note it down. Register permissibility for consumption billing. Device permissibility for rental billing. Facts permissibility. Facts permissibility, flat rate billing. It's a basic, very important, and based on the selection, your entire logic will follow. That's what. Okay.
Yes.
And interval permissibility, when you click on this interval permissibility rates,
RTP
this
billing.
RTP, correct, RTP billing. So when you click on this one, this RTP interface will be activated. So here is the place we need to maintain the RTP interface. Okay. And then if you select register permissibility, here we need to maintain the register operand. Do you remember what is the register operand?
Yes. Last day you got the register operand.
Yeah, correct. If you want to pick the consumption from the register, we need to use the register operand.
Yes.
Okay.
It's a variable, right? It's a variable. Just hold the value.
Correct. 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 That's true. All operands are variables.
Variable.
Which will be maintained in the rate steps level as an input and output for the variant program. Okay. That also we are going to be doing it now itself. And then it's a validation class. In device management level, we have, it's an integration between device management and billing. Okay, this validation class. In DM level, we have independent validations and dependent validations. Usually, we will be using the independent validations. So we'll give some certain parameters. If your consumption is within the limits, then only you can create bill for the customer. Otherwise, your meter readings will become implausible.
Implausible, right?
Implausible means, with using the, implausible means it's, in lay language you can say, it's a meter reading results are not correct, which are not in the within the limits, which are permitted limits. So with implausible readings, you can use EL27 transaction code to release it.
Yes.
Then it will become
Yes.
the plausible
Make
readings.
it plausible. Yes.
Correct. You can make it. So for that, that is the integration point between billing and as well as DM. So in DM level, you can create a independent validation class, and then for that independent validation class, you can maintain you can set the parameters. Okay. There, I'll show you. See, 0001 is the validation class. So if you click on this one, SAP has provided few validations. If it is zero consumption, if you select 01, then if your consumption is zero, your your readings will become implausible. Okay, and then tolerance limits. These tolerance limits you can maintain it in configuration level. If you maintain this same validation class, if your consumption is not within the limits, then you will get an error. Okay. And some fixed value deviation. So this fixed value deviation at the configuration level we can maintain it. If your consumption is not within the limits, then system will throw the error. This is the fixed value deviation. Here you can maintain the value, whatever deviation value. Okay. That one we'll discuss it. And then minimum portion. So here you need to maintain the validation class for this. And then minimum portion. Based on this minimum portion, sometimes if you in the SAP utility level we have two different types of readings. One is actual readings, second one is estimated readings. Okay.
Yes.
In some cases, door lock cases, or if the readings are not available, or sometimes you may not get the readings from the customer's location. That times we need to estimate the readings for sending a bill to the customer. So for estimating purpose, we'll use some percentage over here. So based on this percentage, we'll estimate the readings for the customer. Okay. So you can use 90% or 100%, whatever the percent. Based on the requirement, we need to maintain the percentage. It's only for estimation purpose.
Okay.
Okay. And then go to the rate steps level. See, we have discussed about the variant programs, right? Do you remember?
Yes.
So here is the place. No, basically, so many variant programs are available at any SAP level, like back BI, it's for back billing purpose, demand variant programs for demand purpose, demand calculations purpose, if variant programs for maintaining some conditions purpose, and then lump sum variants for calculating the flat rate, for quantity variant programs for calculating the consumption charges, for settle variant programs for calculating rental charges, utility variant programs for terminating the billing. If your billing logic is not correct, then we can terminate the bill for that customer. So these kind of different variant programs are available in SAP. Okay. Based on our requirement, we need to choose the right variant program. Okay. So this is a I'm going to be creating a consumption billing, correct? So I'm getting the quantity and as well as with the price I need to calculate it. So if I check it, this variant program, it's a evaluate quantity with price. So I'm getting quantity from the consumption from the register, and then I'll be assigning price for this.
Okay.
Okay. So that is the reason I need to select this one. For example, if I get a demand from the customer, okay, from the register, if I get the demand, then I need to use demand 01, evaluate demand with price. Okay. For example, if I want to, I have two amounts, I need to add two amount values. Then compute 02, I need to use it.
Okay.
It will be like this. Now, as of now, I'm using quanti 01.
What is DST and CST?
Okay. It's a DST means it's a debit sub transactions.
Okay.
Okay, it's a FICA objects. These are debit sub transactions, and the CST is a credit sub transactions.
Okay.
Okay, and this is a BBDS. It's a budget billing debit sub transaction, and BBCS is a budget billing credit sub transaction.
Okay.
In the SAP side, I mean in ISU FICA side, we'll define debit sub transactions and credit sub transactions, and we will be assigning to the your main transactions. In the SAP, we have some standard main transactions: 100 for periodic billing, 200 for final billing, and 300 for manual billing. Blindly you can remember this one. Okay, 100 for periodic, 200 for final billing, and 300 for manual billing. Okay. In FICA side, FICA consultant basically he will be configuring it. He will be maintaining main transactions and sub transactions to your account determination ID.
Okay.
Okay. To your GL account. So account determination will happen. That configuration basically FICA consultant will do it.
Okay.
And then budget billing debit sub transactions. If whenever you create a register rate, register permissibility rate, so you need to, by default you need to create a budget billing. You need to assign budget billing debit sub transactions and budget billing credit sub transactions. It's a mandatory.
Okay.
Okay. And then periodic control. Periodic control basically this is the periodic control. It's a periodic control means it's a base calculation for calculating the length of the time portions.
Okay.
Okay. For example, if you are creating a periodic billing, yesterday we have discussed about the proration. Have you remembered it?
Yes.
You ask me, you know, weighing key, what is the weighing key, what is the proration and all, we have discussed it about it, right? So if you want to prorate on day wise, not as a monthly wise, for example, we have some fixed charges, day wise calculations you need to happen. Okay, so to the day, exactly to the day, if you want to calculate it, it will control the period basically. For example,
Okay.
I'm giving a 00 and say calculate time portions using exact days. If I select
Okay.
this one, select this. Okay, so it will calculate exact number of days to the day. You can say to the day. And 01, for example, you have different options here. Monthly time portions depend on key date. Monthly time portions dependent on a interval. Okay, so based on the requirement, we can select it. Usually we'll maintain 01 only. Maximum cases, 99% cases we use this one. Just use 01, and we have different options here. Like it's a move-in processing. At the time of move-in, how periodic control should be worked. Whereas in UK and as well as US, what will happen? There for no, at the time of move-in, they'll collect some amount from the customer. In UK scenario, so they'll provide the, particularly in the water industry, they'll provide potable water and as well as sewage water. Whenever you take the sewage water, they'll create the advance billing. Okay, every year April 1st they will be creating next year till March 31st bill for the customer. So it's a advance period. So those cases, you know, it's a move-in processing cases. They, based on the requirement, if they wanted to calculate exactly to the day, they can select this one. Okay, and then it's a move out to processing. Not required, just leave it. This one is important. Month-based billing, if a schema step is an interval. Month-based, if step is an interval plus independent to billing period. Month-based if logical value is an interval. You know, whenever whenever you create a rental charges, okay, rental charges, that time just select month-based billing only we are doing it, right? If step is in interval plus independent to billing period, this is the option we need to select it for rental charges only. Okay, and then we have a leap year checkbox here. Some I mean 4 years once or something, you know, in the month of February 29 days will be there, correct? Usually it will be 28 days only. For calculate at the time of calculating the fixed charges for February month, if you don't check this one, it will consider only 28 days. If you want to consider the leap year day also, that time you need to check this checkbox.
Okay.
Okay, just I'm writing the rental charges. As of now, I'm taking only one. Okay.
Okay.
You can take this one also. For this, we need to select move in and move out.
Ramna, why don't you check it after, you know?
Yeah. I'll check it later. Yeah, this is about today's class. Tomorrow we'll see the complete rate and okay, we'll complete the rates. Tomorrow we'll
Okay.
create different types of rates. Okay.
Okay.
Ramna, what time tomorrow the class is going to be?
Same time, 9:30. Correct, Manojit? We'll meet at
Yeah, I
9
have
o'clock or 9:30.
9:30 is fine, Ramna, you know. 9:30 is, you know, that is lunchtime for me. It's also
Okay.
little convenient for me also. Let us meet at 9:30.
Murli, please try to continue with this class because
Last 2 days I've been waiting actually. Anyway, Ramna, you know, let us, whatever happened is happened. Let us, I'm going to be there continuously, you know. I will be there.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. Right, Murli. Thank you.
Okay.